Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to make this unique, first time on YouTube, snowflake candle holder. See, it looks like a snowflake and it's really easy to make, like literally easy. Let's begin. So the things we're going to be needing for this are a cardboard of a star shape, you can decide whatever size you like, and a cutout of the same shape and size of the star, and we chose white for the snow. And what we're going to do with this, we're going to cut bristles on it to give it a snow effect like this. I'll be back after I'm done with the hole. And this is how it's going to look in the end. And what we have to do next is give it a little bit, a bend over there to give it a more flaky, flaky appearance. Now I'll just be gluing it. And I have also made a smaller versions of the same star, 5 of them, one smaller than the other. And this is how I'm gonna glue them. Just follow us step by step and you'll be done with this easily. It's completed. The only thing that's missing is the candle. The candle looks kind of empty, so I'm gonna use this glitter foam and I'll be adding a strip of it on the candle. With this, our entire snowflake is complete. This is the result. It's really easy to make, only cardboard and paper, and this is how it turned out. Amazing, right? Remember to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!